Hey YouTube, what is up? Today I am planning on doing TikTok DIYs and it is May 4th, so may the force be with you. And so I am putting a Princess Leia on one of my plain Nike sweatshirts. So let's get to it. Might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just alone. You now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Okay. It's getting colder when the sun come out. Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Hey Google, set a 2-minute timer. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. There's something you get used to, yeah. Hey Google, off. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. So this is how it turned out. I'm not entirely happy with it. This is fine, honestly, like the edges, because they're fine, but like I'm a little bit upset about like this part, where it's like peeled, like peely looking. Like I'm sure like from far away it looks pretty good. But like, I don't know, it's meh. It's okay. Look, I can put my finger behind it. I'm just gonna wear it for this little Star Wars parade thing my dad's doing with his class. Then I'm gonna take it off and it'll be a normal sweatshirt again. So the t-shirt hack didn't work. It lasted, oh, there went my shoe. It lasted about an hour and it didn't look very good. I'm gonna wash this because I have this square from where my picture was. So hopefully when I wash it, it'll come out. Hey, it's Editing Emily, and I realized I never told you what happened to my sweatshirt when I washed it. So when I washed it, I put it in, had a square from where the picture was. When I took it out of the washer, it looked fine. I put it in the dryer. When I took it out of the dryer, it looked exactly the way it was before I did anything to it. So hopefully this works out for you. But that's all I got for you guys. I realized that I forgot to tell you guys how to do this DIY hack yourself. If you wanted to try it out and see if it turns out differently for you. So what you're gonna do is print out a picture and then cut the picture out to the exact part that you want. And then after you do that, you will take saran wrap and cover the picture completely. I actually suggest going around it once and then covering the saran wrapped photo with saran wrap again. After you do that, put your picture exactly where you want it on your clothing and then put some parchment paper over the top of it. That's very important. If you use the iron on just the saran wrap, you will ruin your iron. Also, when you're ironing, do not have water in the iron. I don't know why, but that's what it said. When you start ironing, iron for 2 minutes and then let it cool for a minute, and then you can peel off the parchment paper. And it should look good or bad. It depends on how it works out for you. For me, it looked terrible, but maybe you'll try it and it'll look really good, so who knows. Thank you so much for watching. I'd really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe, and if the comments are working, leave a comment.